Can you see the screen? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Heartily welcome you for today's computer class 3. Today we'll be revising lesson number 1 and 2. 1 and 2 will revise. So we start. Here you can see, no, lesson number 1. What is a computer? In your question, there is what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device. No, computer is a electronic machine, device also or machine which is used for many tasks. So many tasks will do. And these are the monitor, this is mouse, keyboard and system unit. Actually CPU, no, this is CPU, this is monitor. So this is about part of computer. So which are the places the computer is used? First one is medical, no, in the hospital. In the hospital, when they do scanning or operation, no, they will be using this what, computer for checking your scanning, no, or operation. They will be using computer. So what are hospital? In the hospital, they use computer help in keeping records of all the patients in a hospital. In the hospital, they will be keeping records. No, their record will be kept in the hospital. Patient, no, who is sick, their name will be given, address and all. Next is, you see, computer help doctors in controlling operation theaters machines. We saw the picture, right? Here we saw the picture. When they operate, they will be using computer. This computer, they will be on the screen, they can see. Computer help in doing a number of medical tests. They will be testing, different tests, blood test, what test, different tests they will be doing. They will be doing blood test and other things. So this is about hospital. Next, you have to tell me what is this place. Now you can speak. You can unmute yourself and you can tell me the answer. Tell. Divya, tell please. You can unmute now. Tell.
Computer room.
Computer room, classroom, your computer room. This is school one. School one actually. School. In the school, computer room. Good. So in computer room, what do they do? The teachers teach the students, no? In computer room, what they do? Teachers use computer to teach students, no? A student can search for any topics through internet on computer. In computer, they can search their homework also, they can do. Education. Computer are used in school for teaching. No? This is teacher, okay, there is teacher is there, cartoon one teacher and students are sitting there. Yeah, teacher is teaching and students are learning. Computers are used for mathematical calculation, maths, no? 7 plus 2 is equal 9, no? You cannot see it nicely, but still there is 7 plus 2 equal to 9. So mathematical calculation, maths, no? You can do maths in your computer also. Students can do their work by using computer. They can do their work in their computer. In your computer, if you have computer, you can use your computer for your homework. You can search anything, you can search in your computer. But you need internet. When you have internet, now you are using mobile. No? There you are using internet. So like that only in computer also you can use. You have to tell me now. These two pictures are where it is. It is in school or where it is. Tell. Tell me, Vibhuti.
House.
Okay. House and home are play game,
School.
yeah. How we can play game, we can, get kind of it. Now you can put up here your that, yes, okay. You can watch the company's this is home. What could that place? There, where it is this picture? Where it this is which place?
Bank.
Bank. Very good. Yes, bank. This is bank only. Yes, bank. What do they do in the bank? We keep our money in the bank. No, our money is kept in the bank.
Yes.
One, what picture you see there?
Office. Sir, office.
So this is office. Okay. Next one.
Sir, shopping mall.
Shopping mall. Yes, correct. Shopping mall. This is shopping. Yeah. Mall. So where they when you buy things, you have to pay in the counter. You have to go and they will take money and they will give you one slip, one uh, like slip they will give you, and you can give money. They will give you the thing whatever you want to buy. You buy and you give money. Shopping mall. No? Shopping mall, all the things you will get, and they keep the all the details, product report. No? They keep here. Okay. Next, what is this? What is this standing here? No. What is written where? Ticket.
Ticket counter.
Counter or transportation. Yeah, answer is transportation. Transportation means ticket counter only. Where bus ticket is uh, bought. Where we buy bus ticket. No, when you go to Bongaigaon, you have to go to counter. Bongaigaon bus stand. No, there you have to buy ticket. Then only you go inside the bus. Or train, when you are going to Guwahati, you have to buy tickets. Train tickets. No? If you want to go to Mumbai, you have to take train tickets. You have to buy in the ticket counter. Now see types of computer. What are the types of computer? Four types. There are various types of computer used in day-to-day life. Lives are some of them are desktop computer first. Second number laptop computer. Three number palm top computer. And four number tablet computer. Now you have to tell me what type of computer. Okay, pictures I'll show you. You have to tell me. What is this computer called? This is what computer?
Desktop computer.
You see answer what correct or no? Correct, no? Yes, correct. This is desktop computer. Desktop. This is called desktop, and it is kept on the desk, on the table or no desk. Desk. And here is a CPU, keyboard, mouse, and this is desktop. So this is desktop computer. Next one we'll see. What is this?
Laptop computer.
This is two number is laptop computer. Correct. Laptop computer. Okay. Now next one we'll see what computer. This is what computer?
Tablet computer.
Tablet computer. We'll see palm top. This is palm top.
Oh.
Palm top. This is palm top. Tablet will be little different. Tablet will be no keyboard. Your keyboard is here, no. In tablet, keyboard will not be there like this. No, like this. Direct only screen will see. Okay. Next is the tablet computer. See, there is like this.
Palm top.
This is not. This is tablet computer. This is tablet computer. What computer? Tablet computer. So this is tablet computer. There are 4 types of computer. What are they? Desktop computer, laptop computer, palm top computer, and tablet computer. Okay. So now we are going to lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 is about part of a computer. Lesson number 2 is part of a computer. These are the parts of computer. First one is monitor, CPU, mouse, and keyboard. 1 number monitor, 2 number CPU, 3 number keyboard, 4 number mouse. So these are computer parts of computer. Okay, some more we'll see what are other. Printer is here. Part of computer, this is also monitor here, big screen, CPU. This is microphone, not speaker. Speaker will be box here. Speaker is here. This is microphone. This is microphone. This is keyboard, and here is mouse. Basic parts of computer. These are the basic parts of computer. Understood? Okay. This is parts of a computer. Yes. And next is what is this?
Keyboard.
Keyboard is an input device or output device. Keyboard is input device or output device. Keyboard is input device or output device. Tell.
Input device.
Very good. Input device. And keyboard has how many alphabet keys? A standard keyboard has how many alphabet keys? How many are there? Alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are only 26, no? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 26 are there. 26. Number. How many number keys are there? Numeric keys. How many number keys are there? How many?
Sir, 0
to 9.
0 to 9.
0 to 9, but it is number is how many numbers are there? 0 to 9 total number 10. 10 numeric keys are there. Okay, good. This is what is this? What
Mouse.
Mouse. Okay, good. So you can see the mouse, no? What is the use of mouse? Pointing.
Yes.
Pointing. A mouse is a pointing device.
Pointing device.
Device it has how many buttons? How many buttons are there? How many buttons? 2 buttons are there. 1 third. 2 button and 1.
On a mouse.
Now what do you see? What do you see?
CPU.
CPU. CPU full form. What is the full form of CPU? What is the full form of CPU?
Central Processing Unit.
Central Processing Unit. And it is also called what? It is also called brain.
Brain of computer.
Computer, correct. Brain of computer, yes. Okay, this is about CPU. Next is
Monitor.
monitor. And what is the use? What it looks like? What radio or television? It looks like radio or television. Which one is right? It looks like radio or television. Computer looks like a radio, correct? Look like television. It's like a TV, no? This look like a TV, television. And it is an output device. Monitor is an output device. This is what device? Output device.
Output.
And monitor produce soft copy, not hard copy of output. It will produce soft copy of output on the screen. On the screen only you can see. On the screen you will see. You can print out, but you need printer. No? So this is next is what do you see?
Speaker.
Speaker. It is input device or output device. Input device. Output device, and it produces the output in the form of music or sound. It will be sound will come or music we can listen. No? This is speaker. This is speaker. Okay. Okay. Next, what is this?
Printer.
Printer. You print out, no, hard copy. You can. It will produce hard copy of a output. No, it will produce
Yes.
of a, and it can be a black and white or color one also. It can be black and white or color printer. No, and it is printer is a output device. It is output device. Okay. And this is what is this? Huh? What? What is this? What did you read that one? Joystick, no? Joystick. From here only you can play games, no? You can, the buttons are there. You can play games. You can play games. From here buttons are there. So many buttons are there. You can play games. Many games you can play. Okay. So joystick. Joystick. You can play games. Okay. Next is, what do you see?
CD, DVD.
CD and here is CD.
DVD.
CD is, what is the full form of CD? CD, full form of CD. Compact disc. Compact disc.
Compact disc.
This is compact disc. CD and DVD. These are CD and DVD. Now next is what do we see?
Pen drive.
Pen drive. Pen drive. And in pen drive we can store large storage capacity. It has so big space. It is small inside. It is small inside, but you can movie, you can keep, you can put pictures, you can put songs in this pen drive. Anything. So pen drive. This is pen drive. Syllabus. Okay. You know syllabus, no? Your syllabus is 1,
Yes.
4, and 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So question pattern. What type of question will come? You see. Take the correct answer, 10 marks. You can write down this marks. No? Fill in the blanks, 10 marks. True
Sir, wait.
or false. Okay, you write slowly, write. You write the. You have written no syllabus. You write the syllabus, and these are the marks. Your mark question will come like this. Total mark is 100. Okay, 100 marks. You can write. You write one number, lesson, syllabus for half yearly exam 2020. One number, lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Question number 2, pattern. Pick the correct option, 10 marks. Fill in the blank. 20 here, 20 mark, okay. Fill in the blank 20 mark, not 10. 20 here, 20. Fill in the blank 20 mark, okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 5. Yeah, 20 mark. Fill in the blank 20 marks. Finish writing?
No, sir. Wait.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll wait for 1 minute.
Finish, sir.
Okay, so next is about your classwork. Okay, now you write down the question. Please write any 5 areas where computers are used. See question I am giving. Okay, write what are the types of computers. What are the types of computer, and write any 5 parts of computer. You write now these 3 questions and you send me in my WhatsApp number. Okay. Now write this
Okay.
question right now.